Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
It's time for the final countdown.
The show starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Heto na ang pamilyang masarap. Hindi lang masarap, mapapasigaw ka pa ng shot sa sarap. Welcome to Gays Love Legacy family. And now we are celebrating our second monthsary of Gays Love Legacy family. But before we start, let's welcome ang nag-iisang captain na may halong anghang, alat at konting lande on the side. Yung kahit walang ulam basta siya kasama, solve ka na. The one who brings the heat, Captain Nom Nom. Hep hep hep, huwag kakalimutan ng ating co-captain. Masama yan. Ang nagmahal, nasaktan, at mukhang magmamahal ulit. Ang nagpapatibok ng puso ni Laurice, Co-Captain Coco. Mula sa binhi ng Captain at Co-Captain, let's all welcome our lovely admins. Puno ng misteryo at ganda, sa boses pa lang gagapangin na ang inyong sistema. Sa bawat nota, kayo ay hahalingin ang ating paborito, Admin Silo. Tomboy man sa inyong paningin, huwag kayong mag-alala sa paningin niya rin. Ang tomboy na palaging nagkaka-crush kahit hindi naman kinakrush back, Admin Earl. Ang kanyang ganda ay nang bibiktima, pero huwag kayong magkamali, maganda rin ang gusto niya, Admin Clark. Ang pinipilahan pero hindi pinapanindigan, ang workaholic pero Starbucks ang kapiling, Admin Gray. Ang bading na gusto ng lambing pero laging ML ang kapiling, ang admin na palaging nagsasana all, Admin Alex. Mahihain daw, pero pag napamahal ka, hahanap-hanapin ang kanyang sistema. Ang admin na maangas na umiinom ng gatas, Admin Nix. Lovable, sweet, pero bawal pa akitin, kundi lagot sa mga mommy. Madami nang sumubok pero hindi na po pursue. Ang cute mask, Admin Max. And last but not the least, walang biro to, patawa-tawa lang pero seryoso. Ang palaging mabangis at nag-iisang Princess Thea ng GLL Admin, Sakura. And wait, there's more. What's a family without a heart? So let's give it up to Gays Love Legacy family members. Cotty, Vine, Sky, Lay, Huens, Keith, AD, Kel, Portia, Paracetamol, Fumi, Sersha, Parisha, Ariel, Aki, Lex, Kay, Pachot, Yang, Ara, Pepe, Unknown, Spider, Chubby, Lando, Izer, Jinbilog, Irene, Lily, Callan, Methamphetamine, Yazzie, Ayet, Ivory, Black, Dos, Min, Lara, Lovely, Zeke, Irina, Honey, Lynn, Shari, Sab, Roar, Kimmy, Abri, Catalina, Enora, Peng, Alexi, Ziki, and MJ. For our second monthsary celebration, we have fun games prepared for everyone. Lucky Grass Game. Ang makakakuha ng tamang number ay mananalo ng isang pinwheel. Guess What is Asked Game. Ang makakasagot ng tama ay mananalo ng isang lipstick. So what are you waiting for? Relax, makisaya, at sulitin ang gabi. Let's enjoy the night. Gays Love Legacy family.
She love bad man, 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 she love your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Make you come first.